Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I gonna introduce ebi fry. So fried prawn are home cooked dish, especially kids tend to love in Japan. So they are mainly eaten with taru sauce or tonkatsu sauce. But today I wanna introduce one of my favorite flavor, mayonnaise with soy sauce. It's also good. So hope you also like it. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. When I make ebi fry, I will always have some leftover butter and panko. So I have included at the end a recipe for an easy to make snack using them. So please enjoy until the end. So, okay, first, sprinkle the prawns with about 2 teaspoons of salt and rub the salt into them. Then leave it for about 3 minutes. This is to remove any dirt from the prawns. Then rinse them with water. So after rinsing, peel off the shells. First, the legs are peeled off. Then peel back the shell around the prawns, but leave the last segment of shell intact. So repeat with the remaining prawns. When all the prawns have been peeled, rinse them gently with water. So next, use a knife to shallowly cut a few centimeters into the back of the prawn to remove the debone. So repeat with the remaining prawns. So next, cut off the end of the prawn tail. This is to remove the water from the tails. This will prevent the oil from splashing when you fry them in oil. The black bottom part of the tail is filled with water, so please cut there. So cut off the tails all of the prawns. So okay, and then I'm gonna rinse them off until the water runs clear. So after that, dry the prawns with a kitchen towel. So this will help the butter to adhere to the prawns. So make 4 diagonal cuts on the belly side of the prawns. By cutting into the muscle fibers, you can make a straight ebi fry without shrinking. So and then flip it over and press it against the chopping board with your fingers to cut the muscle fibers. If you feel a snap when you place your finger, that means the fiber is broken. So okay, it's all shaped up. Then let's make a batter. So okay, add the ingredients to a bowl. So start with 4 tablespoons of plain flour. And then add an egg. And finally, 2 tablespoons of water. And mix until smooth. So okay, batter is ready. And then next, prepare about 50 gram to 60 gram of panko on a baking tray. So, okay, after everything is ready, let's deep fry the prawns. So, add enough oil to a pot to come 5 cm up the side of the pan, and then heat over medium heat. So, deep fry at temperature of about 170 degrees Celsius. When you put a wooden chopstick in it, a slightly larger bubble will appear. When this happens, it's time to fry. So holding the tail of the prawn, dip the peeled part in the butter and transfer it to the panko and cover it up. So I forgot to take a video, but please prepare a plate or cooking rack lined with a kitchen towel, ready for placing the ebi fry. So I don't want to overcrowd the pot. So deep fry 4 at a time until the panko are golden brown.
Looks good, right?
So repeat with the remaining prawns. Okay, I fried all the prawns. These freshly cooked prawns are so delicious. Okay, let's serve to the plate. So in Japan, we often serve fried foods on a bed of thinly shredded cabbage. So the reason for garnishing rich cabbage is that contains high level of vitamin U, which helps the stomach to digest oily food when it is eaten. ただーん、できました。エビフライ is ready. Ooh, looks good. And today my friend will taste it. This one. I hope he likes it. Okay, today I invited the lunch なんだっけ with ともくん。with ともくん。Hello. Welcome to my one year house ね。
Thank you very much for having me.
ありがとう。で、今日はともくんにエビフライを with マヨネーズ and ソヤソースで食べてもらいたいと思います。ともくん、じゃあ enjoy your meal.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
どうぞどうぞ。食べて。
Wow, it's very crunchy looking. Really good. Really good. Wow.
クリスピーですか
Very crispy. Very crispy. I'll try with sauce then.
Oh, yes, please. It's usually eat with a tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce.
Yeah,
Oh.
but I prefer this sauce. Soya sauce and mayonnaise is a
Wow, that's really good.
it's a taste.
Very good.
Yay.
In New Zealand, we have a lot of fish and chips.
Ah,
We use tartar sauce too.
oh really? Oh yeah, by the way, yeah. Could
Oh,
you introduce
right, I
yourself?
almost forgot
I
about
completely
that.
forgot. Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
so hello everyone. I'm Tomo.
Yeah.
I'm from New Zealand, and
Yes.
I am Kikai Island's only foreign teacher.
Yeah, bit
So,
rare teacher.
Yeah, so I teach everyone on the island, and yeah, that's about it, I guess.
Okay. And also he also doing the YouTube as well. He's a,
Right.
he's a YouTuber.
I'm a small-time YouTuber. I guess you can have a link over
Yeah,
here.
link over here.
Yeah.
この辺に貼っとくね。
And everyone, if you enjoy watching videos like this, subscribe to Cooking with Claire.
Thank you. How kind you are.
No.
Okay.
Thank you for having me, really.
Yes. And please enjoy your lunch. Please continue to
Thank you,
enjoy
thank
it.
you.
Yeah. And then, okay, perfect. So, okay, my progress after this was messy, so I'm done here. Thanks, Tomo. So, next. So, finally, I'd like to make a snack with the panko and butter left over from making the ebi fry. So, first, put the remaining ingredients in a bowl and add the sugar. I use about a spoonful. But you can add as much as you like. So, and then mix until it's well combined. If the dough doesn't come together, you can add a little more milk or soy milk. So, and then shape the dough as you like. I made them small and round. And fry in oil at 170 degrees Celsius until golden brown. So, okay, when they're nicely colored, remove them to a plate lined with a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. So, okay, the snack made from leftovers is ready. So, okay, let's crack it open. It's quite well. The taste is slightly sweet, similar to donuts. The snack is delicious and a great way to reduce food loss. So if you have extra ingredients, hope you will try making this one too. So, okay, thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!